Hi everyone, my name is Gideon Oheme. I'm an interactive media designer from Seneca Polytechnic, and I'm excited to share my internship experience at bigDAWGS Promotions. This internship has been a fantastic opportunity to explore print design, particularly unique finishing techniques that make designs truly stand out. I've gained valuable hands-on experience that's deepened my skills and knowledge. One of my main projects was to create a short, engaging video for social media that highlights some of the company's standout print product things like raised foil, raised UV, and different laminations. The goal was to showcase these finishes in a way that would catch people's attention and spark curiosity about what Pixel 4 can produce. I learned a lot creatively and technically through this work. I got to design and produce my own custom business card, video card, and mousepad. I also learned how different printers, digital finishing machines, and CNC machines operate, how NFC chips are programmed, and the ins and outs of prepress and color management, especially how to adjust colors so the final print matches the design. For the video itself, my idea was to combine clean product shots with lifestyle scenes to help show not just how the finishes look, but how they feel and stand out in everyday use. Of course, there were a few challenges. One was lighting the product shots properly. I ended up with some film grain and shadow issues that made the details hard to see. Another challenge came up during the production of the video card. The foil on the logo type started to bleed, causing the edges to lose sharpness and precision. To solve the lighting issue, I adjusted the setup by increasing the light intensity, which helped eliminate shadows and reduce film grain. For the foil bleeding issue, I resolved it by reducing the varnish thickness from 43 to 36 microns. This small but important change helped control the foil application more accurately and resulted in a much cleaner final print. Every challenge came with a lesson, and that's what made this experience so valuable. This internship helped me bridge the gap between digital design and physical production and gave me the chance to really understand the full creative process. Big thanks to the team at bigDAWGS Promotions for the support and for giving me the space to learn, explore, and grow.